So how does someone become a media trainer or public speaking coach? You can't just go sign up at a university for a master's program in media training. It doesn't really work like that. Let me share with you my own journey. 40 years ago, I was in college and I was fascinated by politics and media. So I volunteered for a campaign. It was debate prep week and I said, I want to be there, I want to help. And then I found a camera operator. There were no cell phone cameras back then. And I had him set up, we recorded it, and I gave the candidate feedback. Now, I have no idea if he listened to what I said or respected what I said, but I was a volunteer, he couldn't really criticize. That's how I started. If you want to start, that's what I'd recommend for you. You've got a friend, a colleague, could be a friend running for junior high school, middle school, student council president. Help them. Pull out your cell phone, record it, and then, here's the key, give them positive feedback. Tell them what you liked. What did they do well? What do you think they should do more of? That's the way to help them. And that is the first step in becoming a presentation coach, a media trainer. Good luck.